What's up, fam? Today I got a beyond easy recipe that's gonna get you in the game really quick. We're making stuffed bell peppers. These are the ingredients right here that we're using today for this stuffed bell pepper. This will be down in the description below. Now let me tell you, I'm gonna keep it simple for you. Hey, we're gonna go with some minute rice. Like I said, we need it to be quick. We need this to be simple, and you see these ingredients right here. It's gonna be delicious. Grab your ingredients, put this on your shopping list, and let's get in the game. So with any recipe, you already know you got to do a little prep work. So I got my bell peppers here. Now, as you notice, you're going to have some bell peppers that'll stand on its own like this, and then you're going to have some bell peppers that won't stand on their own at all. So what you can do, and what we want to do with these bell peppers, first we want to take off this top portion here. You don't want to take off too much. And then we can do one or two things. We can let this be its base and let it sit like that when we put it in the pan. Or we can chop the bottom of this off just a tad. Now what we want to do, we want to core this bell pepper from the seeds and the core. Just like so. Get down off in there, and then we just remove that core, and then we'll clean that up. And that's what these pair knives are good for. And you need to get into tight spaces like this, and then just like that, fam, you in the game. All right, fam, here's another tip. When you're coring your bell peppers, you can take you a spoon like this and then get off into this bell pepper, and then this will make it easier, especially at the bottom part. And then you can scoop this out like so, and then you'll be in the game. All right, like I said, we're going with that minute rice. Hey, I'm going with a couple cups. And this is gonna make it simple for you, fam. Now, if you wanna go with the regular rice, hey, go for it. Just know it's gonna probably take you at least about 20 minutes, right, to get in the game. While we're working on that minute rice, what we wanna do is we want to soften these bell peppers. So we're gonna place these in boiling water, and we're gonna let these soften, and then we'll check on them, see how they're doing. If they soften enough, then we'll bring them out. Now, while everything else is working in the background, hey, we're gonna brown our meat, and we're going with turkey, ground turkey today. I got some 85-15. We're gonna go ahead and add in our bell pepper and our onions, and we're gonna work that in. And while we got all three of these items cooking together, we're gonna add one more piece to this, and that's gonna be the garlic to finish off that holy trinity. But let these cook together, they'll render down together, and it's gonna make your house smell absolutely delicious, fam. And once we got that turkey meat where we want it to be, we're gonna add some minced garlic to give it some nice flavor. We're gonna let this cook and get your house all fragrant, and get your kids and your wife or your husband coming out and ask you what you're making, and you're gonna say you're making some absolutely delicious stuffed bell peppers. Now, after your house is smelling like an absolutely delicious kitchen, we're gonna add in our marinara sauce. We're going in with an entire can or jar. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add me some of my rice into our pot here. Now this part right here, hey, go with your preference. This is just gonna help, you know, fill out these bell peppers. And to be honest with you, you don't really have to add the rice. You can just go strictly meat if you want to do that. Just add, you know, a little bit more meat. You can go with 2 pounds of meat if you like. The rice would just be a nice addition to these bell peppers. Now we gotta season this up, and we're gonna go in with some Creole seasoning. We're gonna go with some oregano, a little bit of dried basil, and then we're gonna go in with a little bit of pepper. And then we're gonna reduce our heat. At this time, it's smelling absolutely delicious, fam. Actually, we're gonna kill the heat. All right, these bell peppers have been going for about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna place this on a cooling rack. Like so, you can see they soften. Now, all we gotta do now is stuff these bell peppers. And you remember I told you that, hey, keep that top shell. So for the ones that won't, you know what I'm saying, stand up, hey, they'll stand up just like that. You in the game. Now, as you see here, those bell peppers are pretty soft, right? So about 10 minutes or however long it takes for your bell peppers to soften up like this right here, hey, you in the game. Now we're gonna come over to our meat mixture right there. And then we just gonna go in and we're gonna stuff these bell peppers. So simple, so easy. And now we're gonna go with our mozzarella cheese, and we're gonna top this off like that. And it's okay if some fall off the top. We're gonna place this in our oven, and we're gonna put this on broil, and we're gonna get this top all nice and golden brown, delicious, fam. So we'll get the rest of these top, and let's get in the game. Now, fam, check this out. Coming out the oven, out of that broil. Hey, don't those look absolutely delicious? Hey, we're gonna let these sit cool just for a second, not too long. And then you already know what we gotta do. We gotta get in the game. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious stuffed bell peppers. So you seen how easy it was. Hey, all we gotta do now, well, all I gotta do is give it a taste test. And here we go. Check that out. Got that little mozzarella with a little bit of that meat and that bell pepper. Cheers, fam. Now that's absolutely amazing, fam. Absolutely delicious. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time out and tell you thank you so much for stopping by. On your way out, don't forget to smash that like button. Also, smash that subscribe button if you want more delicious recipes like this. Then tell all your family and friends that Cooking with Mayo Focus got you in the game. Now, for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what your boy, the coach, about to do. I'm about to get back in the game and smash into these stuffed bell peppers, and we'll see you on the next recipe. We're in the game.